trying the most expensive matcha in Japan. In the last episode I told how matcha is grown, but the most important part I didn't tell. Mom, Dad, I've decided that green tea is leaves that are steeped in water, but matcha is ground leaves mixed with water, and for that matcha leaves are ground in stone mills in a slow process to avoid heating them. So slow that they only grind 50 grams per hour, and that's one of the reasons why quality matcha is so expensive, and cause it's easy to rip off people who drink tea. And that's also why matcha has so much caffeine, cause you eat the whole leaf, unlike green tea that you steep so only part of the caffeine is released into the water. And speaking of tea and caffeine, let's bust a myth. Green and black tea have exactly the same amount of caffeine, but green tea has more polyphenols, aka antioxidants, that make caffeine break down faster, so from the same amount of caffeine there is less effect. And by the way, it's like what happens when you smoke cigarettes or take birth control pills, but we will talk about that in the next episode.